Welcome to Mrs. Vesta's Math Lesson Summary for Unit 6, Lesson 16. You need to find 6.16, two related quantities, Part 1. Fill in the blanks. The independent variable is used to calculate the value of another variable. While the dependent variable depends on the value of the independent variable, it is the result of the calculation. Notice that the independent variable goes on the x-axis and the dependent variable belongs on the y-axis. Example 1. There are 4 tablespoons of sugar for every 5 tablespoons of butter in a recipe. The number of tablespoons of sugar is always what fraction of the number of tablespoons of butter? This is 4/5. Sugar is first, then the butter. Write an equation that describes the relationship between tablespoons of sugar, S, and tablespoons of butter, where B is the independent variable. This becomes S equals 4/5 B. B is the independent, and S is the dependent, so it is the answer to the equation. Now we're going to reverse it, where S is the independent variable, so we're switching this around, so we're getting the B for our equal. So it is then B equals 5/4 S. Example 2, create 2 graphs that show the relationship between S and B. First one shows sugar as our independent variable and butter as our dependent variable. So that is the second equation that we found. Over 4, up 5. The next graph is the reverse, where butter is the independent and sugar is the dependent. So that is one where S equals 4/5 B. So we're going over 5, up 4. Things to remember. Quantities that are in equivalent ratios can be represented by tables, graphs, or equations. On a graph, the independent variable goes on the x-axis and the dependent variable goes on the y-axis. In an equation, the dependent variable is written alone on one side of the equal sign.